Welcome to the Installing a Dishwasher module. Here's the tools, materials and products you will need for the job. Step 1. Prepare the space the machine is going into and ensure cavity is the right size for the dishwasher. There are 3 things you need to install: a power supply, a water supply, a drain. Create a branched connection from existing waste pipe using a T-piece horizontal run of drainage pipe, and then install the ProPlumb washing machine trap kit. Step 2. Connect the cold water pipe to a cold water supply, which is usually marked blue. This connection supplies water to the appliance. Once you've located the water pipe, use the saddle valve kit to connect a new cold water feed to the existing pipe. Connect the tap to the cold water pipe and tighten by hand. Step 3. Securing the wastewater connection. The ProPlumb plumbing out kit allows a connection to an existing drainage pipe. Connect the wastewater pipe to the trap securely. Step 4. Connect the plug into a standard socket. Step 5. Ensure the product is level using a spirit level and that it doesn't rock. Step 6. Turn on the appliance and run a rinse program to ensure it is functioning correctly and there are no leaks. Step 7. Move the machine into its final position, ensuring it remains stable. Congratulations. You have now learned how to install a dishwasher. Key learnings. In this module you learned how to prepare an appropriate location for a kitchen appliance, how to connect the appliance to the water and drainage systems, and how to level the appliance to reduce vibrations and increase lifetime of the appliance.